What does it mean to be a welder? It starts with a spark, a passion for fusing the bonds that shape the world we live in. It's skill, it's precision, it's art, function, and form. It's looking at something amazing and being able to say, yeah, I can build that. You train with the best, put in the hours, and mastered modern techniques. Your two hands can create bonds that will last for generations. And that's something you can be proud of. Being a welder means tomorrow is yours to build. And Marion Technical College can help you get there.